The first one is huwa. Huwa means he. Huwa means he. The second one is hiya. Hiya means she. Hiya means she. Hiya means she. The third one is hum. Hum means they. Hum means they. The next one is hunna. Hunna means they. Hunna means they. The next one is anta. Anta means you. Anta means you. The next one is anti means you. Anti means you, and this is for female. Anti. The next one is nahnu. Nahnu means we. Nahnu means we. The next one is ana. Ana means I. Ana means I. The next one is hada. Hada means this. Hada means this. The next one is hadihi. Hadihi means this. Hadihi means this. The next one is ala. Ala means on. Ala means on. The next one is fi. Fi means in. Fi means in. The next one is min. Min means from. Min means from. The next one is ila. Ila means to. Ila means to or towards. The next one is ma'a. Ma'a means with. Ma'a means with. The next one is tahta. Tahta means under. Tahta means under. The next one is fawqa. Fawqa means above or up. Fawqa. The next one is amama. Amama means in front of. Amama means in front of. The next one is khalfa. Khalfa means behind. Khalfa means behind. The next one is an. An means about. An means about. The next one is hatta. Hatta means until. Hatta means until. The next one is dakhil. Dakhil means inside. Dakhil means inside. The next one is kharij. Kharij means outside. Kharij means outside. The next one is hal. Hal means what. Hal. Hal means what? The next one is mother. Mother means what? Mother. Mother means what? The next one is come. Come means how much? Come. Come means how much? The next one is mata. Mata means when. Mata. Mata means when. The next one is kaifa. Kaifa means how. Kaifa. Kaifa means how. The next one is limadha. Limadha means why. Limadha. Limadha means why. The next one is aina. Aina means where. Aina. Aina means where. The next one is man. Man means who. Man. Man means who. The next one is amma. Amma means about what. Amma. Amma means about what. The next one is liman. Liman means for whom. Liman. Liman means for whom.